All right, everybody, this is Taylor. We're back in Palm Springs. I'm with ValleyScape Irrigation. We're doing some sprinkler and irrigation repairs and upgrades in Palm Springs today. So our client just bought this home and they're getting ready to go out of town. It's hot, it's August, and they're a little worried about some of the plants that are back there. There's some areas that are suffering, and I've already identified the problem with these areas with the sprinkler system. So let me show you what it is, and then I'll show you what the solution is for it. Okay, check this out. So this is the sprinkler valve for the backyard. There's only one, and it does the whole thing. But what we've noticed is this area is wet all the time. And if you see this, these roots growing up around it, that's a constant leak. The problem is with something like this, it just gets worse and worse and worse until eventually this whole area turns into a swamp. So you need to fix stuff like this. Just get it over with, get it fixed, and get it done right. And the problem that caused this is this connection right here is not turned tight enough and not sealed. So then the water's running down constantly. We're gonna get a new valve in here with a pressure regulator. And then over here, it might be hard to see, but some of the plants are struggling, and you can really tell they're just kind of not really doing good. So we're gonna change the emitters on those to make them more consistent and put out a little more water. One thing I always recommend is a Wi-Fi smart controller, especially for people who travel often. And it seems like a lot of the clients we have in Palm Springs, they travel often. So this is not my favorite controller, but it does have a Wi-Fi option, and they already have it set up, so that's good. That way they can see if there's a problem with it, if it's offline, or if the power's off, or if there's some glitch. You will get some sort of notice at least. Okay, step one complete. Valve is in, new sprinkler valve. We're letting it dry up, the cement dry for the pipe, so then we'll test it. But in the meantime, we're gonna get started on some of those emitter replacements. Now what we're doing is we're replacing the emitters. These are the original ones, they're fixed, so they only let out 2 gallons of water per hour. We're going with these, the Rainbird adjustables. They're more of like a bubbler, and the reason we're doing that is because they'll give more control, and so areas that are struggling like that can get a little more water, and even if it's temporary and they want to slow it down later, they can do it with these. Well, these are the new Rainbird emitters. As you can see, they put out quite a bit more water than the old 2 gallon per hour. These will probably go up to about 15 gallons per hour, but we don't need that much. We need it about right there. It's kind of the perfect amount to water. It saturates the area because the soil in Palm Springs is so sandy. We got to get more water out to spread it, otherwise it just goes straight down. So this is the fix right here. We went ahead and did all these. Well, thanks for hanging with me today in Palm Springs. I'm back in my truck because it is super humid today. I do not like the humidity, so I'm in the air conditioning. The job is done, our client's happy. Those plants are gonna improve, and I've taken you through some of the major points that we look at with irrigation systems when a client is not happy with what they have. So controller, valve, and the emitters. That's what controls everything. So if you need upgrades, if you need help, if you need installations, if whatever's going on, we're here to help with irrigation systems. We also work on outdoor lighting, landscape lighting systems. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful.